everyone, welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to show you the October 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month comes out every month and it gives you 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. This is a great way to build up your stash and have new product coming in every month. Along with your kit, you'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and drink on it while you create. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double-page layouts that are designed by our design team. They give you the cutting and assembly instructions, as well as a full-color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create their layouts right along with them. And of course, you can go off and create on your own as well. You can join us over on the Facebook group and the blog, and we have challenges each month where you can win prizes, be inspired by our entire design team and all of your fellow subscribers. So this month, the 4 collections include a fall Thanksgiving collection, Halloween, and then 2 that are for everyday family, friends, and everyday memories. So there is something for everyone. The 4 collections include Welcome Autumn from Cartabella, Halloween Magic from Echo Park, My Type from Fancy Pants Designs, and The Best Days from Pink Fresh. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. First up from Cartabella, we have Welcome Autumn, and this is that heavy textured cardstock weight Cartabella is known for, and they're beautiful fall colors. I always look forward to their fall collections, and this one's a little bit different than the last couple of years. It leans towards the darker oranges and the rust and the burgundy on this dark brown, so it's just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of bitter chocolate cardstock, so it's that deep dark brown. For your pattern paper, we have this beautiful floral on a white, and the back is that rust with a grid design and a little floral print. This one's called Fall Floral. Then we have this one on that dark brown, all the fall leaves. The back is a green check, and this one is called Autumn Air. We have this fun paper that's the little squares. I love these. You can do so many different things with those. You can create borders with them. You can take a whole chunk, like 3 columns of them, and make a little border on your page or across the bottom horizontally. So many fun things you can do with these. The back is a stripe with all the colors from this collection. You have that minty green, the orange, and the burgundy, that dark brown. This one is called Seasonal Squares. So there is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These are always jam-packed full with all kinds of fun icons and words to create titles and subtitles. We have some tags, little seed packets here are so cute. Love the boots and the pumpkins, the fall latte. So you have lots of options there. So that is Welcome Autumn from Cartabella. Our next collection is Halloween Magic from Echo Park. So perfect for all of your Halloween memory keeping. To start with, you're going to have 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one. That's all of the Halloween text and the different colors. The back is a black polka dot on orange. This one is called Trick or Treat. Then we have the ghost on the black background, and the back is a purple plaid. That one is called Ghost. Then we have Frankenstein and the Witch. This is Happy Halloween with their bat and their candy corn. The back is a diagonal stripe, and this one is called Happy Halloween. Another look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary among the kits, but you can see here lots of phrases, some little banners, lots of options to decorate your pages and your projects, as well as a fifth a pack of the star epoxies. So they'll have a variation of colors on your strip. So that is Halloween Magic from Echo Park. Our third collection is My Type from Fancy Pants Designs. So this kind of theme is revolving around the typewriter and also stories. So this one has the story of us. It could be a story of your family. This has our story as a title. So just think about all those stories you want to tell, and this is the perfect collection. So to start with, you'll have 2 sheets of the white cardstock. This paper here, called Love Blooms, has a floral print in the red and the light blue on the darker blue. The back is a red and blue pinstripe. This paper, called Love Buds, which is the small florals in a circle design. It's gorgeous. The back is a wood grain. I love this wood grain because it's different from the typical. The typical is more brown, and this is kind of a burnt sienna, so that's a lot of fun. This paper here, called A Banner Love, which is the light blue stars on the dark blue background, and the back is banners with the hearts, and it kind of looks like a light blue jean or blue canvas background there. So another look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a third a pack of the ephemera pieces, so these will vary, but again, this is a good representation. Lots of phrases to create your titles and to start your stories. You're also going to receive a foot of the Fancy Pants lacy bits, and these will vary. I got some of the blue. It's just gorgeous. And you're going to get some pink fresh jewels. These are in the color Stargazer, so they're a dark blue, just gorgeous. So that is My Type from Fancy Pants Design. Our final collection is The Best Days from Pink Fresh. This is a beautiful collection that you can document your memories of family, friends, and just your everyday memories. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper here, called Love You Always, is just a paper waiting for a photo and a story. You have your background, you have your embellishments here. You can tuck in just a couple of other flowers and little bits and call it done. Just a beautiful paper. The back has these blue flowers kind of on that pinky background with a touch of yellow. This one, called Loved This Day, which is a black and white floral on top of a mixed media background with the pink distressing. The back is a two-toned blue plaid. Then we have this paper called Hello Fall, which is in the golden yellow family, and then all of the leaf. The back is a plaid in the pink and the gold, which is a really fun design. I love how they mixed it up, put the pink on the top and the gold to the bottom. It's really different and cute. So another look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a fifth a pack of the ephemera. So these are the floral die cuts, and like this here that says Falling in Love with You. Again, all of the embellishments will vary, but this is a good representation. You'll also receive a sixth a pack of the sticker sheets. So again, these have little phrases, banners, the postage stamp, more of those gorgeous florals. And then you're going to receive a row of enamel dots. So these colors will vary. I got kind of the blue-green family of enamel dots here. So that is The Best Day from Pink Fresh. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the add-ons that we have available to make it go even further. You can get more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. You can also get more pattern paper and embellishments in our Shots of Life kit, which coordinates with the flavors of the month. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.